We're on the final step of elementary scheduling, and this is probably the most satisfying and the step that I have, I don't want to say most fun doing, but if we type in the cheater bulk space ASS, and you get 5 things back, and always pick the bottom one, bulk assign. We're going to choose search for students, and here's where all of our hard work comes into play. We're going to use all the steps, all the things we did in step 1 and then in step 2, and get all these students assigned to their respective classes. So I'm going to say homeroom, we'll start with Mrs. Sharp. So that's 3A. And I say create new list. And here's every student in Mrs. Sharp's homeroom. Then I click next, and I'm going to use this little picker because I'm really bad at remembering names and numbers of courses. So I'm going to say groups and search. And there's Hale, there's Pearson, and here's Sharp. So I want to select Sharp, and I just have one choice, section 1, and I hit add. So this is saying, all right, in Sharp's course group, there's all these classes. Perfect. I'm going to go ahead and hit next. And this is the first day of school, and I hit assign. Now I'm going to repeat that process with the other 2 homerooms for Hale. I'm just going to click up here, that bulk assign, go search for students. And homeroom 3B's Hale, create new list. Then click next. Use that picker, select groups, hit search. There's Hale. Now watch what happens if you would pick this. Then I still have to put in the section. So when I use the picker, I always make sure I click the section number in that column. I add that. Don't forget to click the green add. So all those 9 classes, hit next, and then you just hit assign. We're going to do this one more time for Pearson's homeroom. So again, I click up here, and this bulk assign takes me back to the beginning. We'll pick 3C, create new list. There's all the kiddos, hit next, use the picker, select groups, hit search. There's Pearson. Don't forget to hit add section. So you want to see them all here. Hit next, and then hit assign. And let's just go check out some 3rd graders. So once this is done, I'm going to go to the search, the advanced search, and go to tab number 2 and pick 3rd grade and hit search. Going to select the first one, Irma, and if I remember right, I think she's in Sharp's group. So I'm going to click back here on this breadcrumb. There's Irma, and I'm going to click the magic white triangle, view, edit her schedule. I was wrong. She's in actually Hale's. So here I just assigned her into those 9 classes with the click of those, how many clicks? 3 clicks, and up here she's in Hale's homeroom. There's another Hale. Here's a Sharp. 3A is Sharp. And so that is the final step in the process. Congratulations, you are all done with elementary scheduling.